There are others that make covers for themselves, and these even include larvae, or newly. This walking stick is not a characterized by being tiny on itself, affords it camouflage. Ring all of the type. There are some made out of small pieces of wood, and others that are wider and made from leaves. These creatures are tiny caterpillars that have not hatched, possess no reason, and know nothing about the world. So, why do they put stones to their backs and carry them around? Darwin's theory of evolution are desperate in the face of this question. One of these, the German Heumar von Ditfurth, regarding behavior of caterpillars in the region. Who is the author of this intelligent so amazes people? To whom does discovery belong? From whom does take it over from? We have to accept that these are methods that only an intelligent human being could resort to in order to survive. Whereas it is out of the question for the caterpillar to plan, it to carry out. Evolution accept camouflage of living, the method that has been brought by mere intelligence. Possessing